Good morning, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Meta Restructures Responsible AI Team, Sony Remasters The Last of Us Part 2 for PlayStation 5, FBI warns of scattered spiders hacking group, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below, and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Apple is actively working on advancing its camera sensor technology. The company has traditionally relied on Sony for the camera sensors used in its iPhone cameras. Reports from IT Voice, particularly Mark Gurman, suggest Apple is contemplating developing its in-house camera sensors. Motivation behind the move is to gain greater control over the design of its imaging hardware. This aligns with Apple's consistent strategy of designing its own components, including the Taptic engine and chipsets inside iPhones, Macs, and other devices. Such an approach allows Apple to offer longer support for its devices, fine-tune them for a refined user experience, reduce dependency on third-party companies, and potentially cut overall cost. There is speculation that Apple's imaging ambitions might extend beyond the iPhone. Possibilities include the integration of improved sensors in a potential Apple car and future generations of its Vision Pro mixed reality headset. Next, we have Meta. The parent company of Facebook is undergoing a restructuring of its responsible AI team. Team members are being dispersed to other groups within the company. The majority of the responsible AI team members will be transitioning to roles related to generative AI. This move is part of Meta's ongoing efforts in responsible AI development and use. Some members of the team will also be redirected to roles in AI infrastructure. This diversification reflects Meta's commitment to various aspects of artificial intelligence. Meta's AI products, including the language model Llama 2 and the AI chatbot Meta AI, play a central role in these strategic changes. The restructuring emphasizes Meta's prioritization and investment in safe and responsible AI development. Microsoft and Oppo have entered into a partnership to enable Windows Phone link functionality. Initially exclusive to Samsung, Microsoft Surface Duo, and Honor smartphones, this collaboration expands its support to devices from OnePlus, Oppo, and Realme. The Phone Link app will be pre-installed on select Oppo devices running Color OS 14 and OnePlus devices running Oxygen OS 14. Users can access it conveniently under the Quick Settings category by swiping down on the top of the screen. This feature allows users to control their phones from their PCs using Wi-Fi. Users can perform actions on their phones and use the instant hotspot feature to connect their phones to their PCs without physical interaction. The Phone Link feature is extended to several smartphone series including OnePlus, Oppo Find series, Realme series, and Oppo Reno series. Sony announces the remastering of the critically acclaimed game The Last of Us Part 2 exclusively for the PlayStation 5 system. The remastered version is set to be available on 19 January 2024. The remastered edition incorporates technological improvements, new modes, and behind-the-scenes content. Introduces a roguelike survival mode called No Return, where players can choose between multiple characters with unique characteristics. A notable addition is the guitar free play mode, allowing players to play the guitar in different locations using different characters. Lost levels with cut playable sequence and developer commentary provide players with a deeper understanding of the game's story. Owners of the PS4 version have the option to upgrade to the PS5 Definitive Edition for $10. The full pricing details will be revealed on 5 December when the game goes on pre-order. The Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI) issues a warning about the activities of the Scattered Spiders hacking group, known for utilizing advanced techniques like phishing, push bombing, and SIM swap attacks. The group operates under various aliases including Star Fraud, UNC 3944, Scatter Swine, and Muddled Libra. Notably, members of this hacking group can be as young as 16 years old and are primarily English speakers. The hackers often pose as IT support and help desk personnel to infiltrate organizations. Their tactics include convincing employees to provide user credentials for network access, stealing OTPs, generating MFA notification prompts, and even controlling user SIM cards. Once inside networks, they deploy publicly available remote access tunneling tools to monitor and manage systems. The FBI recommends several security measures to counteract their activities, including maintaining offline backups, using longer passwords, and employing phishing-resistant multi-factor authentication. Next up we have Nothing Chats Beta, an app facilitating communication between Nothing Phone 2 and iPhone via iMessage has been removed from the Google Play Store. The removal is attributed to several bugs and alleged security concerns. The app had promised Android users the ability to communicate with iPhone users via iMessage. Concerns were raised by Kishan Bagadia, founder of Text.com, regarding security lapses in the app. The Sunbird app, integral to Nothing Chats, was criticized for not using HTTPS sending credentials over plain text HTTP. Sunbird's backend running Blue Bubbles lacks end-to-end encryption support. As of now, there hasn't been an official response from Nothing regarding the detailed security concern raised by Text.com. Interestingly, Apple announced plans to support RCS for enhanced text-based conversations with Android devices shortly after Nothing released the Chats app. At last, Amazon launches a new AI system designed to identify and remove fake customer reviews on its platform. This system employs proprietary data analysis and utilizes deep graph neural networks to scrutinize reviews for known indicators of fakeness. If the AI system is confident that a review is fake, it takes action by either blocking or removing it. In cases where more evidence is required, Amazon's trained investigators step in to search for additional signals before making a decision. Amazon's fraud, abuse and prevention team emphasizes that distinguishing between authentic and fake reviews can be a complex task. This AI system underscores Amazon's commitment to ensuring the authenticity of customer reviews. The introduction of this AI system is part of Amazon's broader efforts to streamline operations across various divisions. Observers note cutbacks in sectors such as music, gaming, and certain human resources roles as part of this streamlining initiative. This is Arshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।